PAL. What is PAL tag number?
PAL 070906.
06.
It's not mentioned. It's not. I think it's not.
Not mentioned.
Not.
Oh, the job is not there, correct?
Maybe the tag numbers change.
No, I don't think so. Maybe. Yeah. That's why it's not mentioned.
Okay.
This is the HACCP pin ID.
In Hajab is not there. Hajab is not there.
HACCP pin ID is there, Chairman?
Hajab PNID, yes, I have it.
Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, here. Okay.
L is not there.
L is not there, actually.
Yeah.
I don't know whether is there any what do you call this recommendation to put L also, but normally this is to check whether the vein pack is black.
Here, if you see, insurance is there.
Okay, so it was a recommendation.
Yeah.
I don't know why, anyway, but it's
Why
already
they
there.
need
So
recommendation?
it's a redundant thing. Let's
Yeah,
put it.
redundant, yes.
It's less pressure also, see? Less pressure.
Yeah. Less pressure. Less pressure only, yeah. Okay, so we understood, no problem. This is priority 3. No problem.
And they consider additional.
Yes. Okay. This is for redundancy, Chairman, because if there is a control loop failure, then we have another safeguard.
Okay.
That's why we should consider the same cause.
Yeah, we consider same code.
Yes, that will initiate this low pressure.
Right.
Now we are on the trip. So trip,
Yes.
PAH, and then move on.
PAH 709.
PAH 70905. Yeah.
Which one? 05.
70905, I think. Up.
This one.
That one, I think, yes. What is the location of this PHH?
Okay. PC malfunction full open, right?
Yeah.
If PC malfunction full open, will it create more pressure?
Concussion close when required. Also, I think in here also we can also